Good morning, friends. Uh, let's check this out. This was a nice demo play. I woke up right before the news and saw my football, so I hit it on demo because news was coming up and I didn't want to risk actual money or whatever, so I went short right here, 3 contracts, and I put my stop just above that. I believe I had it at 855 is where I had my stop at, because I was thinking news might come up and wick this, but it was just a gamble. They could have exploded straight up too, but instead they sent it straight down and I got out right here. So let's see here, entry 817, exit 60150. That was almost 13 grand. But that was definitely a nice trade. Football absolutely sent it, but that's just because of news. Here not long ago on eval I caught the bounce, and on my funded when it came down here. When it came down in here and I seen the MACD divvy, I was thinking that might be our bottom. Plus I pulled a fib from here and we was really close to that 786, so I snatched it and took it up. Only 3 micros. Yeah, 273 off of it unfunded, so I'll take it. Got in somewhere down in here, and I got out right after they took this high, because they could have just absolutely reversed it and slammed it back down. But on eval, I took it somewhere up in here, I believe, on eval. But let's see if we can catch something here today. Right there looks exactly, not exactly, but pretty close to what they just did right here. Looks pretty close, and maybe we can see a nice dump here. I'd like that. But on a bigger time frame, oh, I didn't realize on a 5-second there. I thought it was a 15. This would be a breaker on a bigger time frame, so mark that out. I'm just going to take 2 candles on here. We'll see if that breaker holds. Wow, look at that. Got a nice liquidity void in there. It's only on the 1-minute time frame though. That's what it's looking like. Huh. Either way, we got a breaker here. So see if it holds price up. Pull fib on this. Use the bodies first. So we haven't made it to 786 yet, and the trauma line is right there. So we'll just have to see what they do, or what happens when we get to that 786. What I would like to see happen here is that. Okay, since I'm on this one, I need to actually put my fib on here. I'm going to leave it right here for now. If it starts going a little past it, I'll raise it up. But I'm going to just leave it on this big news candle. Data wicks usually like to get filled in. At what point? I don't know. But this area right here at some point should get filled. I haven't looked at ES yet. Let's see what it's doing. Looks like it's doing pretty much the same thing the NQ is, so. Keep an eye on that. Wonder what that was. I have it drawed out for something. I don't know what that is. It's from way back there apparently, huh? Wow. Wonder what that was. Oh, that's a 15-minute opening range from someday apparently. Okay. I actually got a couple people in here. Hey, what's up? I just got the live actually loaded up. I don't know what's up. OBS used to show me just the chat whenever I opened it up, so I could see what was going on and didn't have to have the live stream running, but it isn't doing that no more, so I don't know what's up. I put it on ultra low latency today, so hopefully it's not too far behind. Let me time it and see how long it takes. looks like this is actually going up, but we're hanging out at the 786 right there. Let's see what the measured move of this would be if it plays out. Got a nice rejection off that 786 so far. Yesterday, whenever I had the bullish outlook and we got hung up at a 786, that was the short opportunity, but I don't know. Probably won't be able to stay on for too long today. Uh, my oldest is home too. They had some kind of field trip to go to, and the wife didn't send him for some reason. So, what do you guys think? You bullish on the day, bearish? What's your guys' thoughts? Couple people out there watching. Here's my trade on or two trades I took today on my Top Step X eval. Right after the big dump, I bought and got stopped out, but in a little bit of profit. And I snatched the bottom on here. What's the low? 580 is the low, so I got pretty close to it. And what that was I pulled it was a 786 from here. Let's see here, where's the fibs at? Fib retracement. It was close to a 786, should I say. I was front running it a little bit, but definitely was a nice trade. And I took it off. I was trailing my stop and I took it off right after they was taking the highs. I shoved it up, but caught a nice thing there, making some progress on it. Yeah, it looks like I only got one person now. Pierre, you the only one out there, buddy? And so far, we're rejecting off that 786. Fibs is something really big that I use all the time. Wow, almost 250 ticks so far off of that. Don't look like very much because they're making really big moves really quick today. This is what I'm wanting to see happen. If they can stay in this pattern to send it ripping, is what I'd like to see. Need to pay attention on my live right there, or PA account. Need to pay a little bit more attention to what I'm doing here. So maybe we can see him just sweep these lows and come back up. Just gotta wait and see, I guess. Just projecting what I want to see out of this. But we got the rejection off the 786 so far, so they need to sweep these lows and come back up. If not, then maybe I don't know, maybe this set of stuff will hold price down after it closes below, if it does. So just sitting on my hands waiting to see what price action is telling me to do. So we're seeing if these two boxes can hold price up. We get a nice rejection off the 786 that's dropped us back into the down into here. So we got a little bit of SMT right here. ES seems to be a little more bullish. NQ came down and took this low, and ES didn't. So let's see if it can send it back up. Ooh. Wow. Didn't see that. Now I see this maybe happening. So if we start rejecting here, they might want to just straight send it down. If we get a little snappy reaction after taking this little swing high right here, I think that'd be a short opportunity. But we could just be making the bigger football like I've drawn up on here. So just sit on your hands is what we do in this situation. The trade was whenever you seen that SMT happening right here. That was the trade to take up some so far. If you got in off that bounce, it would have been a nice little trade. Yeah, 120 ticks already. So let's see what it does right here. It just took this little high. Okay, well, it's not looking like it's rejecting right here. So what I would like to see is, since we just took that, I would like to see it form some kind of little football in here. Make sure I'm on my live stream account. Yep. Okay. Pretty sure I'm just talking to myself, but whatever. Oh, okay. Well, at least you're here, Pierre. I did see Jesse and Fit come in real quick. Yeah, I don't see anything worth trying on eval or PA yet. That's got to look really good to try on there. But on demo, yeah. Uh, Yesterday, that day traders eval, they had all kinds of problem with DX feed, and they halted trading for a while. And when they did that, I was already in a trade, so I couldn't do anything with it. And like immediately after they got the feed running again, it stopped me out somehow. But I did end up getting back most of the losses that occurred in that. But whenever I logged on today to look, there's no trading. So I messaged help or whatever you want to say, and they said they was trying to sort it out. And I told them that I hope that they don't go down the same road of the three-letter prop that we shouldn't mention, FTT. I hope they don't go down that road, but it's not looking all that good so far. So hopefully they get their crap together. Yeah, they seem kind of sketchy, but I got one eval off them for $18, so we'll see how that goes. No, this is invalid for now. If he was trying to short there, that had been a little one so far. But look at the reaction off of that. We instantly filled that back up. So my thoughts are they put this little rounded top in to get the shorts to chase or start, and they're just going to rip it in their faces and come up here and take this high. I would have to look and see if they have any promos. I don't know what's going on. Let's see here. I think they have like 70% off or something. I don't know. Let me check it out real quick. What's it say? Promotion, launch special, 70% off on all accounts. Use code DT. That was from the 4th, so I don't know if it's still going or not, but it is what it is. Just got a message from somebody that says Tanya's giving away 10 free accounts, 10 MFFU Starter Plus plans. So if you want to head over to there, you could possibly win something. I don't know. Price does kind of look like it's wanting to make what I had drawn on here. I do like that. So I think I'm just going to shut the live down for now. Got the kids right up here and they're being loud. But what I want to look for, keep an eye on this, is for this to just rip in their faces. We had this big drop. And the measured move just so happens to line up with a gap fill. So that's my thoughts on today. Price action isn't the greatest. So yeah, I think I'm going to shut it down and go watch Tanya. Maybe win an eval. But yeah, that's what I'm looking at, is data highs. If we can come down here and get some kind of structure to go back up. This is kind of, okay, let's see here. Let me zoom in here and look. Yeah, I like that. I like that. I'm taking this on paper trade. Just going to send one on it. And we'll see what happens. I'm willing to risk, yeah, that. We're almost 400 bucks for let's see, grand. No, we're going for the full fill. I'm just gonna let that play out and see what happens. But just off this little move right here to start us out, let's see here. If this plays out, get up in here, maybe chop around, make another one to continue. But yeah, I'm going to shut it down. Yeah, if you go back to the beginning of it, Pierre, I showed a couple trades that I took on PA and eval. So if you rewind to the beginning of it and check that out, I did show that. But I'm getting ready to get off here. Kids are being horrible and being loud, so God bless everyone and have a good day.